guys, it's BBK here. We're back with another video. Today we're doing what's inside of a watch. Super old Avengers. Who likes Avengers?
Oh my God.
Mommy! So first we're going to be dunking in the water. Bryce, come here,
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna open the watch. I'm running into. Oh God, I won't get too quick. Okay.
that one's too shallow.
Let's go to the even deeper one.
I don't want it to shock me.
Okay. So now we just throw it. Come on, Cole. Back to your house. Let's go. Oh my God! It broke. It broke. He threw it. Oh God.
These two came off.
Yep. Here, can I throw now?
Wait. So this is what it now looks like. Wait, I'm gonna fix it.
No.
Here.
We want it fixed.
That's Cole's face. I know it's cringy.
Here, I don't.
You don't friggin' matter to me. Oh, okay, we got Cole behind the camera. It's raining, so it break. Oh, this piece. Remember, this piece came off.
Yeah, this piece. Wherever it's from. What? Oh.
So,
Tile.
where's that? It should be in the water. Okay, Bryce. So, this is what it looks like. Nothing really happened. Oh, yeah. Our piece pile is now in the mud. Okay, you just got that piece. Okay, Bryce. Get the thing. Did it literally just stop raining? If it did, I'm going to be so happy.
It did. So
this is what it looks like before. Hopefully I break the glass.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
This is like that's the main part. Basically.
Bro, I just took the friggin'. Look at that. This is plastic and then this is real glass.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Is that metal?
Yeah, and then that protects the middle there. Hold on. Okay, one more throw, then we're going to take out some big thingies.
Yeah.
Okay, I got wet hands. Hopefully I don't break the iPad.
Oh God.
Oh, wait, did any piece come out?
No.
Okay.
Back to Cole's house we go. Our house we go. Oh God, I just scratched myself.
I just dodged it. Are you filming for the hatchet or the big scissors?
Hatchet.
Okay. Do you remember where you put it?
Here, take this. I'll find it.
It's fine.
Scissors it is.
Okay.
Okay, so scissors it is. Couldn't find the hatchet, so scissors.
Get it from this end. Not done. Not done.
Go, Cole. Come on.
This is hard.
Oh my God. Pink. That flew off where to go. Oh, right there. Oh my God.
No.
What?
I'm putting things in the driveway. Gotta do it right here.
Here, my turn.
This is like cruel.
Here, Cole, can I try?
Wait, I gotta take it.
Oh my God. Oh gosh. Now it just started raining again.
I like split in half.
Here, Cole. I haven't.
Ooh.
We need to find the hatchet. Not showing enough.
Okay. Looking for the hatchet? Comment down below if you see it. Or if you did see it, so then we know where it is.
How would they see
And we are sorry that we can't do it live.
We're here, I think. Yeah.
Ah, nice. Now we can use the hatchet. We are sorry that we don't make it live, so you guys can copy it when we're making it.
Can I do it?
But we would, but we don't know how. We are so bad freaking editors.
If you know how, just comment down below and we.
Yeah, we're noobs. Bryce, you freaking missed the first time. Oh! Oh! He's look at, he just knocked the main part out.
Okay.
Here it is.
Oh, what gold, boys? Let's go.
Oh,
Gold.
gold protector. Where is it? It's right there.
Gold.
Okay,
Let's go.
Bryce.
Peace file. We forgot our peace file.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
Water.
Okay.
What's inside?
After this, it's going in the water. This is basically the main part of the video.
And we have what's inside of it.
Oh, nothing really happened. It's a ball. No! You like break this freaking driveway.
Go on the road.
Comment down below if you have ever made a bunny hop on a scooter 47 inches.
Because Braden did that, and we're making him. Never mind, we're not making him anything.
But
We might.
yeah. And you jumped 47 inches.
Over this puddle. Right here. But it shrinked a little. Shrunk.
It was like freaking monster.
Okay, Cole, just do this.
And he's not here today.
Yeah.
Freaking sucks.
Okay, is that the end of the video, Cole?
Yeah. Bye. Keep dabbing on them haters.
Bye.
Yep.
That one, the haters.
Yep. Bye.